This is an arapaima. It's the largest known freshwater fish now in the world. Arapaima is native to the Amazon and Equatorial Basin of South America. It has modified spin bladders that function like lungs and extract oxygen from air. Therefore, arapaima need to swim up to the surface to get oxygen every 5 to 15 minutes. Unfortunately, this makes them easy to fish and the number of arapaima dropped. And this is a green anaconda. It is the heaviest and one of the longest of its kind. It's now an endangered and we should protect them. Anaconda have been portrayed in horror literature and film, often with the ability to swallow adult humans. For example, the 1997 film Anaconda and its 3 sequels, and in Mathana's birthplace novel Anaconda, the Terror of the Amazon Rainforest.